What's going on, guys? I just want to do a quick review on the eBay Switchback LEDs that I got. You can see here it's blinking amber, and I did not put the resistors in. I just got the cheap LEDs, and you can see that it's not hyper blinking anywhere from the exterior. You just get that pattern there, but there's no hyper blinking from the exterior, so not really too bad. I actually didn't even take the bumper off or go from the fender well. I went in right down here, stuck my hand in through there through the engine bay, and same with under there. Just you can fit your hand right down there, twist them out, put them back in. Okay, so this is unlock. See, they go amber, then they turn bright white. And that's them switching. Now I just got to do the other little 194 bulbs next to it, and we're all good. So $15 eBay 7443 LED switchback bulbs worked out pretty well.